enough of that. Post Malone, you already got enough money. But it's your boy, Juke, man. What's good? Your boy is on the camera, you feel me? Today is going to be a fun day. We're going to a legal pit. So y'all folks stay tuned for that. But for right now, I got to show y'all this new mod I installed. I was going to record me installing it, but it was night. You really couldn't see, even with the flash. So I'm just going to show y'all right now what it is. I just popped my hood. It's not the intake, but it's kind of like an intake, but it's not really an intake. It got something to do with the intake, but y'all can see. Wait, let me wipe y'all off real quick. Y'all can see that red thing. That's called a throttle body spacer. So what it does, basically, if you know what the inside of a supercharger look like, you know it's got like the little swirly things. So this has the swirly things on the inside. You can't really see it on the outside, but on the inside it has the swirly things. And what that does is it shoots more air into the engine, so you get a little bit more power. I ain't gonna lie. Hold on, let me step in. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like, I actually noticed a difference, like, with this, like, and it make like a weird little, like when you hit the gas, kind of sound like a diesel. Most people saying it's annoying, but to me personally, I kind of like it, you feel me? But, yeah, Brando them finna pull up, take a drink of my drink. But, yeah, we're waiting on Brando. I think Josh with him. If y'all don't know, that's the gang, that's the crew. He said they were pulling up. Let me see, check my phone. Y'all can see. But outside, we about to pull in. So, them folks finna push up, you feel me? But if you're new to the channel, man, I'm gonna just give you an overview of my car. This is a 3.6. I just got it painted. If you want to see that video, go watch, scroll down, you'll see it. But yeah, we coming along with the build, man. Like, I'm loving the build, you feel me? We got the Big Boy 315s. I've been sliding today, like, and this tire going balls. I gotta get a new tire, bro. This the new one I just got. This one ain't that ball. But surprisingly, like, it slide real easy. Like, y'all know my car ain't stock, but like a V6 line 315s, you really don't see that. Even if it's wet, like, you really still don't see that. But yeah, man, I just thought I'd just give y'all a little update. You feel me? If you're new to the channel, now you know what I drive, so make sure you click down below, hit that sub button, and I'm gonna turn y'all boy back on once they pull up. So he's saying he should put this print on the Z. What y'all think? I think he should, but I think, you feel me? What print you said this was?
I want to say it's like, I don't know, it's not forged. Look,
it looked like
forged
some kind of carbon or something.
I'm gonna ask the twin. We'll go inside and ask him.
But yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I definitely think he should put that on the black. That's hard. That'd be hard.
Just on the bottom.
My boy say he finna start the Z up so I can hit it in line. He just put a new intake on it. If y'all know this car, bro, please tell him to watch that shit. Like, y'all for coming down below, tell him to watch that shit. But y'all see we got the y'all know that gray Charger. We got the
Filming perfectly fine on that iPhone. See, you got the Lambo back. That'd be hard though. Okay.
Yeah, that shit crazy.
This right here too. This right here.
I know y'all probably know this Lambo. Hold up, let me get the side.
But you got the Scat right there too.
Oh, it's a Scat? It's a Scat. I didn't even know. You can tell by the window, but we got the Lamb. Ooh, that bit. That shit hard. But my boy finna crank the Z up, man. Finna hit the intake. Bruh, I ain't gonna lie, that cat, bruh, I think something wrong with that dyno.
I told you, yeah.
His max was 573. On the, God, man, I can't open this hood, bruh.
Hey, y'all, I'm gonna let you hear that shit take off. There we go. You know, that been clean.
Boy got a JLT.
That been clean now.
Okay.
So, I told him it's fine.
Yeah, look how. hear some. Is it louder than the cat?
Huh?
Is it louder than the cat supercharger?
Of course. No.
It ain't.
But you can hear it. You can hear like.
I can hear. Yeah, I can hear it. Yeah. Golly. You cut the mufflers off, didn't you? You cut the muffler off the back, didn't you?
No, I got the muffler still.
I thought you cut them off.
Hell no. If I cut the muffler off, straight flames.
Golly.
Straight flames.
No, I can hear it though for sure.
Yeah.
That shit sound good.
So I was like, I noticed that bitch.
They did to it. They ripped it off. Hey, twin, check this out. Hey, man.
Hey, this is Striker right here. Hey, y'all want a Striker?
He put a big purple wolf on this shit. Pop your hood.
I finna put my boy bumper back on. But Brandon, what's going on with your bumper, bro?
So what?
What's going on with your bumper, bro? Y'all see this?
Everything, bro. When you're a real nigga, Papa gonna go through shit.
Whoa, I didn't see all this stuff.
Nah, like you said, when you're a real nigga, go through shit. Let's throw this shit on. I'm trying to go.
Y'all don't know his shit was overheating.
I live in this motherfucking shop.
Bro, you need to watch this, bro.
This shit right don't matter, dude.
Like, this is not part of the rap, bro. They supposed to watch it. Brandon be watching this. This shit look terrible, bro. Like, you just over there laughing, cool. Bro, your car is... You feel me? Watch this shit. True. Hey, y'all finna get a free beanie.
Yeah.
Hey, Josh, you watching this? Stole your beanie. Shit, gotta unlock the door. I stay joshing, baby. All right, y'all. We outside AutoZone right now. I'm waiting on Brando slow ass, cause he got down taking all day in the AutoZone. But no, he had to get some smaller washers, I think. Put his bumper back on. Y'all don't know the car was overheating, and they just fixed it. You feel me? Boy got the radiator, all that. You feel me? So we riding tonight, man. We gonna hit another event. That's gonna be probably in the next video. Probably won't be in this video. But yeah, we're finna hit that event. We're finna get some crazy content. There's gonna be some cars y'all folks done seen. So yeah, we gonna do that. But as of right now, we waiting on this nigga to come out the AutoZone, bro. They got home. It was just, bro, just walking back and forth, talking to himself. You feel me? Y'all see we got him in the D's, you feel me? Just in case I got a skirt. You hear me? If y'all don't know, if you don't feel safe in a place and you sitting in the car, do not have your car in park, bro. Like, leave your car in drive or reverse, depending on where you at in your situation. But for me, I got mine in drive, you feel me? I ain't wasting no time, put my car in park. All I gotta do is hit that gas, you hear me? But nah, man, I'm gonna turn your phone back on once I get to that event. Y'all, this is my first time seeing this, what's it called? The macchiato scat pack. This is scat pack? They got the jailbreak wheels. And then I'll see how those shit just fade into the back. That bitch look like some coffee or something. That shit hard, bro. It's crazy, cause I was thinking about wrapping my car that same color. You new to the channel, that's my car right there. But I was thinking about wrapping my car that same color. But instead, if you don't know, I just got my shit painted. You can't even see, bro. I need to turn my flash on, but I'm gonna give these other folks light. Look, before I got it painted, just scroll down, look at my old videos, but I gotta show y'all in the daytime, but this really ain't, you feel me?
The next day.
Hey, as y'all can see, we done made it. We got the Cat, we got the Challenger, we got the Z. We finna shoot some,
That nigga still ain't washed that car, bro. You gonna slide?
I gotta save some meat. I gotta save like some tires because you know I'm trying to hit the
What?
Wait, no, what happened?
He told me he got to save some meat.
Hey,
I don't know what
I still got the video with the question I asked you yesterday. What body you taking?
Ask her the question.
Right. So you in a relationship. The person you're in a relationship with, they switch souls. Your mom and the person you date switch souls. To free them, you have to have sex with one of them. To free both of them. That's what I'm saying. So your mom in your partner body and your partner in your mom body. So who you fucking? Who you say yesterday?
My mom body, but it's my girl.
So he said he fucking his girl because his girl is mom body, but it's your mom body.
Yeah.
She not gonna forget that though. Like even when she switched back, it's like
That's what I'm saying.
But it's gonna be my girl conscious though.
I told him I'm picking my girl body. Cause my mom gonna know what I do to these bitches.
What?
Damn, Piccolo, you did that?
Oh my God.
Yo, he went crazy.
That was fun.
I'm gonna try it a little slower.
Hey, hold on, bro. I gotta get some food too, bro. You gotta do it again? Yo, is all your whole trash shoes off? On this off? I know it's not hard because it's hard, but it's your trash shoes.
damn.
Yo, he finna slide again. Alright, y'all can see when I made it to a racetrack. Feel me? We got the boat out. We got another boat and we got a race car. Feel me? But we finna flick up. Y'all see how I was sliding there, bro? Then I got brand new tires. This tire a little bald. I tried to do a little rollback. I tried to do a little rollback, but this tire is actually, I need to replace this tire. This tire is actually bald. Huh? Alright. Gonna move my car in the middle. Gonna put mine in the middle for some better footage. Yeah, me. Come back a little bit more. Feel me? Get y'all a little behind the scenes. Brandon, what you got going on, bro?
Come on, bro.
Can't be riding around like that. You can't be riding around like that. I still got Watch Me on here. Come on, bro. Ain't here at the gas station getting something to eat.
Let's go on the side.
No, I put Watch Me on that side. I think JMA on the other side.
Hey, I'm about to help that boy Brando out, bro. Look.
Man, that's crazy.
My bad, bro. I'm just helping your ass out. I'm helping your ass out, bro.
Yeah, he need it, bro.
The bottom about to be clean as hell.
He need it, bro. Dang, that made me want to get a purple wrap, bro.
Bro, that purple so hard.
The chrome, the bronze. That's hard right there.
Nah, that still look good.
What's these, Nitos?
Nah, those are chrome.
They're the one you got for, you said 2 songs for both of them? Yeah.
I'm gonna do 305.
Oh, this here one so hard.
350 up front and then 345 345 is
Then you going 345?
345.
Golly. You got a drag pack, don't you?
345s are like, they want about 700 for them hoes.
Why don't you throw the drag pack on them?
Too bad.
I'm saying, like on
I
this.
died, but I put it on when it's a dry day.
Yeah. Oh, this thing hard right here. I stay Josh.
I can edit all that shit out.
He talking about dead gas. Shit, I'm finna go in the house, bro.
I'll send y'all these shit in the chat.
Finna head to the house, y'all. Well, as y'all can see, it's a little behind the scenes. It's gonna be like a little vlog or whatever, but as y'all know, I can't get away from the car, so it's still the car scene.
Y'all like these? Y'all eating these? Eat cheese fries? You just had some, so I don't want to get none.
Bruh, who eats those? I would never eat those.
Y'all want one?